This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, November the 17th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system along the east coast of the country producing some showers and thunderstorms, some of which were severe across the deep south and into the mid-Atlantic earlier in the day, with another system moving into the Pacific Northwest producing some heavy snow in that area. Watch warning map from around midnight, winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, all sorts of winter weather fun over the northern Rockies into the Pacific Northwest, frost and freeze advisories over Oklahoma down into Texas, with the eastern part of the country quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days, this is through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, shows the heaviest precipitation will be with the storm system over the Pacific Northwest and over the deep south by the weekend. Here we could see some rain up to 1/10 or 1/4 of an inch. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see a storm system with the trough over New England, with the storm system lifting out there, and a new one coming into the Pacific Northwest. And that's going to bring some snow in the higher elevations of the Cascades and northern Rockies, with rain in the lower elevations and snow across New England, while here will just be cold. We head off into Friday. Winds begin to switch to the south and southwest, with a storm system developing over the Rockies that'll be bringing snow well to our north, and showers and storms by Saturday, as you see, with the low pressure over northern Iowa. This will bring the snow over the Dakotas, Minnesota. It may clip far northwest Iowa Saturday evening into Sunday morning, but by Sunday that storm is now gone. High pressure builds in, temperatures cool back off after highs in the 50s to almost 60 on Saturday, back down into the 40s by Sunday. And into Monday, the front begins to stall south of here. There could be a few clouds across the south, otherwise it'll be mainly sunny with highs in the 40s across the state. Tuesday, still could be a few high clouds, especially over the south, with rain down in Missouri and along the frontal system down from the Ohio-Tennessee Valley south into Texas, with a new storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest. Wednesday, that storm comes ashore into the west coast. Winds begin to turn southwesterly again, especially over the plains in the western part of the state as temperatures warm. And we head into Thanksgiving Day. Trough over the west, a ridge over the east with southwesterly winds aloft, and that's going to bring some fairly nice weather for Thanksgiving. Warm southerly breezes with a low over eastern Colorado, and dry with temperatures likely in the 50s, which will be very nice for a Thanksgiving Day. We head off into Voodoo. This is actually Black Friday. The storm system ejects out into the middle part of the country with a few showers, maybe an isolated clap of thunder, especially from here southward. We head into Monday the 28th. Huge trough over the east with a ridge over the west. And with that huge trough brings down very cold air, with the 540 line down to the Gulf Coast. Big storm system over the east. There could be snow and rain and just all sorts of fun across the east during the weekend. We head off to the end of the forecast, December the 2nd. Wavy pattern with a trough over the Intermountain West, one over the Great Lakes states. And at the surface, a few storm systems, one over the west, one over the east. Here looks seasonal with highs in the 40s as we head into the month of December. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.